Have you ever gone to the doctor and they've used a stethoscope to listen to your chest and back? What exactly are they doing, and are they just moving the stethoscope around at random? Hi, I'm Laura Whitney, medical writer at 3D4Medical. Auscultation is a term used to listen to the internal sounds of the body. It is an important part of the physical exam and can help diagnose patients. Let's now go to Complete Anatomy for more information. The 4 standard points of auscultation for the heart are aortic on the patient's right side of the sternum, pulmonary on the left-hand side of the patient's sternum, tricuspid in the 4th intercostal space along the lower left border of the sternum. Finally, the mitral is in the 5th intercostal space along the mid-clavicular line. The points of auscultation are an important part of clinical skills for doctors and nurses. Maybe using the mnemonic "All patients trust me" will help you remember this in future.